In this video, we are going to show you how to use Poppy AI for brainstorming sessions. Now, you need several things here for a brainstorming session. Firstly, we need our material. So what does that mean? We need to create groups. So as you can see here, click this or press G. We're going to create a group. And then for this example, we're going to have 3 groups, right? So first group is going to be documents. So every single file, every single Google Doc, every single Microsoft Word file that you need for whatever topic you're going to brainstorm on. And then next is going to be your analytics. This is going to be your Google Sheets. This is going to be your Excel spreadsheets, right? If needed, right? This could be something else, right? This could be competitor analysis or whatever. Third is going to be media, right? So media is going to be videos, audio, that sort, right? And then you need to open a new Poppy chat right here, and then connect everything, right? We need to connect everything. There you go. After that, we're not going to start yet. The most important thing, because this is a brainstorming session, which means you need other people. Now, if you want other people to be able to access this, you want to look towards your upper right corner. There's a share button over here. Click share. This pop-up will appear, and you want to click this, which is make board public. So it's grayed out. If you click on this, it's going to be enabled, and you can copy link to share. Now, once you copy the link, you can just share it to other people. If you're in a Slack group or a Discord or whatever, you can just paste that there, and everybody in that group can access this and can view this in real time. And then an extra step is go on a Discord call, go on a Zoom meeting, right? Like, do that while you are pretty much managing everything, and they're going to see, okay, this is what you can just spread everything out. Okay, this is the documents we have, this is the analytics we need, and this is the media that we are going to utilize too. So you're going to talk, you're going to have a conversation. Again, it is brainstorming, and then you're, as a group, will now find a way or find a prompt that you need to give to Poppy Chat and extract whatever information, whatever topic that you're doing, and give you a fleshed out, maybe an outline, maybe an in-depth research, depending on what you need, right? That is how you use Poppy AI for brainstorming, right? Poppy AI is your conduit. You still need an external source where, okay, this is where we talk on a voice chat, right? That's much easier because it is brainstorming. You need to be present. So that's how you do it. And if you're interested in trying out Poppy AI, you can get a $25 discount when you click on the link in the description below. Pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.